గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు. అప్పుడు
మంత్రి గారు గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్ మంత్రి గారు.
అడ్వైస్ ఇస్తానే నేను ఐపీ గారికి అడ్వైజ్ ఇస్తాను. మీ అడ్వైజెస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ అడ్వైజెస్. Ajay night 6:30 now. Shall we start? I think welcome to this Merlo seminar and PST training being conducted by District 137. So now as a part of the first item of the agenda, I request Ale Mora Anjaya Garu, Vice District Governor 1, to recognize the dignitaries and invite them to the meeting. Over to you, Anya.
Thank you, Shastri ji. Hello. Shastri ji, may I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, audible. Carry on.
Thank you. Welcome. District 137 is organizing today Merlo seminar as well as PST training for all presidents, secretaries, treasurers, and also member allies for District 137 South. This evening program, I welcome first of all District 137 member allies. Next, I welcome all president, secretary, treasurers, and next I welcome entire DG team of District 137, zone chairmans, region chairmans, district cabinet treasurer, district cabinet secretary, district PRO, and all DCC, my colleague Vice District Governor 2, myself Vice District Governor 1, and our CEO of District 137, District Governor Katkam Rajendra Prasad Garu. I am recognizing your presence into the meeting. Next, I welcome my faculty members for PST as well as for Merlo seminar. Sri Bojja Madhusudan Garu, Ali Mantri Lingamurthy Garu, Ali B. Rajeshwar Reddy Garu, Ali D. Nagireddy Garu, Ali Rangu Adinarayana Garu, Ali CH Vijayalakshmi Garu, and for PST training faculty, I welcome Rajeshwar Rao Garu and Vidyakar Garu, and for treasurer faculty member, my district immediate past district governor Alagandula Srinivas Garu. Please welcome, sir. And for today's program, special guest, my district governor Rajendra Prasad Garu. Please welcome, sir. My special invitee, our kind and very disciplined manner, our third international vice president R. Madhivanan Garu. Please welcome, sir. And guest of honor, our mentor, our guide, none other than our past international president, immediate past international president B. Tirupati Raju Garu. Please welcome, sir. And very kind-hearted and enthusiastic International President Avinash Chandar Oriji. Sir, please welcome to our Merlo as well as our PST training, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I welcome all my past district governors, chartered district governor, Alai Pasala Satish Kumar ji, Dr. DBG Shastri Garu, Kola Annareddy Garu, Ida Kumaraswamy Garu, and Siddula Balakrishna Garu, Alagandula Srinivas Garu. Please welcome to this wonderful seminar and PhD training, sir. From our South Multiple Chairman, Sri Balachandran ji, please welcome to our Merlo seminar, sir. South Multiple Council Vice Chairman, our district, past district governor, Siddula Balakrishna Garu, please welcome, sir. And I also welcome the neighbor district governors and all South Multiple leaders, international leaders. I recognize your presence, sir. Please welcome to our today's evening Merlo seminar as well as PS3 training. Welcome you all. Thank you, sir. Over to Shastri ji.
Yeah, thank you. Now it's time for calling the meeting to order. Over to you, presiding officer.
I myself, Mora Anjaya, District 137, Vice District Governor, Association of Alliance Clubs International, render to my today's Merlo seminar as a part of action is concerned. This I call this meeting to order.
Thank you, presiding officer. Now it's the time for lighting the lamp.
Jain will.
Sir, Anjaya sir, can you stop the screen sharing? That
Yes, sir. I am
the
stopping.
light lamping they can see all.
Yes, sir. Yes. Stop this screen sharing. None change.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Presiding officer. Now let us all stand up for Alliance prayer and Alliance prayer by Alai Mora Snehita, Life Members Fellow.
O
Snehita.
Lord, give us so much strength that the faith in our hearts never wavers. May we walk the path of goodness and we don't make a
Jai.
mistake even accidentally.
Sharing Snehita photo.
Let the darkness of ignorance be away. Give us the light of knowledge. Let us be far from all bad things. However much life you give us, it be good. May there be no ill will between people and there be no feeling of revenge. May we never think that we have got, but what is it that we have contributed? Let us give the flowers of happiness to all and everyone's life become a garden of sweetness.
Dictionary.
You flow the water of your compassion and make every corner of the heart pious. Thank you.
Thank you, Snehita. Let us all keep standing like that. Now let us go for Alliance Pledge by Alai Mora Ramcharan, LMF.
Good evening, all. We pray to our motherland and express our dedication and spirit of service to it. In order to enhance its fame and glory, we would perform positive acts with devotion, dedication, and spirit of service Expressing our unceasing devotion and faith in our motherland, we pledge to establish the universal philosophy of service and fellowship for the sake of world peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramcharan. Now let us observe 1 minute silence for world peace. Thank you. Thank you, Alice.
చిన్న book దింపు.
Now I request our presiding officer to address the gathering, address all the dignitaries and
నన్ను పిన్ చేయి.
inaugurate the Merlo seminar.
ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ నన్ను నుంచి మళ్ళీ నన్ను
Over to you, Anjana.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. Good evening, everyone. Today, prestigiously, District 137 is organizing Merlo seminar as well as PST training for all present secretary treasurers of all our home district as well as the neighbor districts. Thank you. Thank you, International President Avinash Chandra Oriji and immediate past International President B. Tirupati Raju Garu, third International Vice President R. Madhivanan Garu, South Multiple Council Chairman C. Balachandran Garu, my District Governor Alai Katkam Rajendra Prasad Garu, Vice South Multiple Council Chairman, Vice Chairman Sidula Balakrishna Garu, my District 137 past District Governors, Advisor to International President Alai Balagangadhar Shastri, and International Director Alagandula Srinivas Garu, Charter Governor Kasala Satish Kumar Garu, ICC Kola Annareddy Garu, ICC Ida Kumaraswamy Garu, and my today's faculty members for Merlo. Bojja Madhusudan Garu, Mantri Lingamurthy Garu, Rajeshwar Reddy Garu, Nagireddy Garu, Rangu Adinarayana Garu, CH Vijayalakshmi Garu, for PhD training faculty, Rajeshwar Rao Garu, Vidyakar Garu, A. Srinivas Garu. Thank you very much for accepting our voice just by requesting you to come to our Merlo seminar as well as PST seminar. You have given your valuable time for us today, and also in this juncture today, this evening, you are coming and making a grand success of our today's Merlo seminar and PST seminar. As well as I welcome all my district DG team, VDG2 Galipelli Nageshwar ji, DCS Kailash Nageshwar Garu, DCT Dudam Nagabhushanam Garu, PRO Venu Garu, and DCs. There we have about 20 DCs in our District 137. I welcome all DCs and President, Secretary, Treasurer of all life member clubs. 15 life member clubs are there in my district, District 137, and another 5 ordinary members clubs are there. Newly last in 2 months also we have executed 5 different clubs. For this, even in this academic year, Hellenistic year also, our international director Alagandula Srinivas Garu already opened one club. By that he became 1-star super leader. For that also we received award from our international president last week. I am congratulating on this evening my international director and immediate past district governor Alagandula Srinivas Garu, and also our esteemed past district governors from Charter District Governor Pasala Satish Garu. Recently he is started one district extended Manchiral. Now it is in the pipeline to open the district with 5 clubs. Very near it is going to inaugurate. Already Mantri Lingamurthy Garu and Pasala Satish Kumar Garu, Shastri Garu and other leaders are cooperating for that a lot. And also next Kola Annareddy Garu, he is the brand ambassador for eyeball collection and also LMFs. He is our past district. We are very proud of him. Next Ida Kumaraswamy Garu, in his period our district has become life members more. He is awarded best governor award for that. Next to him is Siddula Balakshmi Garu, a man for kindness, a man for service. From his entire life, he is received even President's award also, very highest award in the country. He received for that Red Cross Society. And next to him, Alagandula Srinivas Garu. He has done excellent services. For that he got Ambassador of Goodwill Award for last year. I am also worked for last year as a greeter committee for international president. He is given a wonderful choice to me to serve in international level. For that also he recognized me by giving international president leadership award as well as leader of the year award last year. In the COVID period also we have done excellent activities. By that we are recognized COVID volunteer award, and also from Siddipet and Karimnagar commissionerates COVID essential service volunteer award also I received. Thank you very much for all esteemed cooperation from all district past district governors as well as my district governor Rajendra Prasad Garu, my colleague VDG Galipelli Nageshwar ji, entire DG team. I am very thankful to them. And today we are organizing with the help of and with the support of district governor as well as all past district governors, and also along with the support of South Multiple and international leaders, and with the help of today's support by faculty members for Merlo as well as PST faculty members. Thank you very much, and I welcome you all for today's evening Merlo and PST seminar. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. Now it's the time for starting of our Merlo seminar. Friends and faculty members, I want to remind you that this is a we have got a very short time. I know very well that in this short time you cannot cover all the aspects of the subjects which has been assigned to you. So my request would be, it's a kind of introduction program. Let's make the detailed classes and detailed seminars can be taken up afterwards. So this would be my request from the presiding officer who has selected the eminent faculty for today's seminar. So now moving on to the Merlo seminar. Now we have the subject membership. The membership subject will be handled by our eminent faculty member, great leader of District 200, International Committee Chairperson, Alai Bujja Madhusudhan. He is a good trainer and he has been the faculty members in JCs and in Lions also. With his experience and good knowledge, let us hope, let us wish, and let us expect him to empower us with his all views and knowledge. Let us all listen to Alay Bujja Madhusudanji. Over to you, Madhusudanji, for the subject on membership. Over to you, Bujja sir.
Hello. Hello. Is it
sir.
audible? Is it
Yes, sir,
audible?
yes.
Yeah, yes, Bhaiya, please.
Actually, I'm driving the vehicle. I'm at a different place. No problem. I'll speak in the meantime. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
You are a
Chairman.
multitasker.
Yeah, Chairman, Merlo Chairman, and immediate past district governor and other dignitaries